In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to analyze competitors' audiences with the traffic analytics tool in Semrush. Understanding your competitors' audiences is crucial in carving out a niche for your business and better targeting your own market strategy. In this video, I'll guide you step by step through using Semrush, a powerful platform for gaining insights into your competitors' traffic. Let's begin by heading over to Semrush. You'll want to open your browser and navigate to the Semrush homepage. Once you're there, you'll see a vibrant and dynamic interface offering a suite of data-driven marketing tools designed to help you grow your business. Semrush is widely used for keyword research, competitor analysis, and to measure SEO improvements, among other marketing needs. Next, you'll need to log in to your Semrush account. You can do this by clicking on the Login button, located usually at the top right corner of the page. If you don't have an account yet, it's worth considering signing up for one, as Semrush offers a broad range of features that can radically enhance your marketing strategy. After logging in, you'll land on the Semrush homepage. This is your main dashboard and control center, where you can access all the tools Semrush has to offer. Now, we're focusing on analyzing competitor audiences, so we'll direct our attention to the Traffic and Market section. You can find this by navigating through the menu options. Go ahead and click on it to get a closer look at traffic insights. Now, it's time to dive into the Traffic Analytics tool. This feature provides you with comprehensive analysis capabilities, allowing you to gather valuable data about your competitors' website traffic. By clicking on Traffic Analytics, you'll open a treasure trove of information. You can see detailed analytics including the number of visits, unique visitors, visit duration, and bounce rates for your competitors' sites. This tool is particularly useful for recognizing trends in website traffic, understanding the geographic locations of visitors, and identifying which channels drive the most traffic. Taking a deep dive into these metrics can reveal a lot about what strategies work well for your competitors and which ones do not. By understanding this data, you can reverse engineer successful strategies to tailor them to your own business environment. Keep in mind the importance of analyzing this information over time to notice patterns and shifts in audience behavior that could significantly impact your business decisions. Utilizing Semrush traffic analytics effectively will open up a new realm of strategic possibilities, allowing you to optimize your marketing campaigns and better allocate resources. That wraps up our tutorial on how to analyze competitors' audiences using Semrush's traffic analytics. Understanding this tool's insights will undoubtedly equip you with a competitive edge in your market strategy. Be sure to practice navigating through these features to get comfortable with using Semrush to its full potential. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.